Hello children, how are you all? Hope all are doing well. Welcome to School at Home program. In our third class, we are going to learn our first lesson. So before that, I would like to test your listening skill. How good you are at listening. We have our textbook with us. Do you know what is the name of our textbook? Yes, you all are correct. New Learning to Communicate. Yes, this is our third class course book and this we are going to learn the first lesson. Before that, as I said, we are going to test, I'm going to test your listening skills. Okay, so listening text is given in the page number 135. You can refer after some time also, because I will be reading only once for you. So, did I say in or on? You need to check it out whether I read in the sentence or on I use in the sentence. Clear? Is it clear to all? Yes. Let us start. The patient was relaxing in chair. So, what did I use? Yes, in. The owl was sitting on the oak tree. So, on. I have used on. The ball got lost in the bushes. I hope you got the answer. There are two cars on the bridge. Yes, you got the answer? Yes, very good. Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Very good. Good children. Now, let us see. Did I say for or from? You need to check whether I use for in the sentence or I am using from in the sentence. Clear children? Yes? Let us start again. I will buy a computer from a good shop. Are all these flowers for me? She comes home from work at 7 o'clock. This picture book is for children. I have received a letter from the president. So, I hope you got for or from I have used. So, if you wanted to refer them again, those all sentences, you can refer the page number 135. Here it is saying listening text. Clear? So, listening plays an important role in our speaking. So, if you listen carefully, you can answer properly and you can speak correct English or fluent English. Okay children. So I would like to show you some more pictures now and I would like to ask you, in such scenarios, how would you respond? What would you do in those scenarios? Let us start. Yes. Share your ideas. Okay, what's your idea? How you can help that animal or bird in the particular situation? Yes, now I'm going to discuss the situation with you. For example, a baby bird, small bird that has fallen out of its nest. What will you do? What would you do? Would you like to help it? Then what you have to do? I suppose you are supposed to take that baby bird and place it back in the nest. Am I right, children? Yes. You listen to me correct, so that we are going to help the baby bird by placing it back into the nest. Correct? Next one. A grown bird that has hurt its wings. What will you do? So, will you do something for that bird? Yes. Would you like to help it? Yes, obviously, we all are good children. Third class children are so good. So, they are going to help the bird. So, you can probably take to the hospital to get the first aid, or any home remedy. You can apply some turmeric powder on the wings or something, you can do it. Yes. And next one. An animal that had met an accident. So what will you do? Would you like to take it to a hospital immediately? Yes, that is the correct decision. One more scenario, children, that is a kitten that is stuck in a tree. You should help the kitten to come out of the tree. So how would you do that? You have to think about it and answer, and you can write in your book too. So we have these all scenarios in the page number 11. So 11 page, if you open, you can see these all scenarios and you can answer your answers. Just I have helped you. How can we help? Okay. And if you have any innovative idea, please do that. Now our first lesson we are going to start. That is, what do you think, children? Do you like animals? Yes. Do you like small animals? Cute. They look so cute, pretty. Yes, obviously we all love those small pet animals because they look so cute, right? So today we are going to see one interesting lesson where one small puppy struck or in danger. So how 3 children are going to rescue that puppy? We are going to check it. Then the name of the lesson is, do you like puppies? Yes? Yes. Then let us see the name of the lesson. First lesson name is Puppy in the Well. Puppy in the Well. Let me write on the board. Puppy in the well. Children, do you know puppy? Yes. Baby dog is puppy. And what is well, children? What is well? Have you seen well? We usually don't see well because nowadays we are using taps everywhere. But in olden days, there used to be a deep pit where we will get some water and we will draw water with bucket and rope. Okay, so that is known as well. Nowadays we are not using, so that they are not in usage. So we may not know those wells, but in villages and all, even now they are drawing water from the wells in few villages. Okay, now we understood the puppy and we understood the well, and how the puppy is in the well. Let us check, and how these 3 children are going to rescue them. And who are those 3 children? I am going to tell you first. They are, one boy's name is Satish, and second boy's name is Dilip. And one more girl is there with them. Her name is Rajni. So 3 characters involved in this story are Satish, Dilip, Rajni. Clear? Children, how they are playing, how did they find the puppy in the well, how did they rescue, these all things are explained in our lesson. Then let us start. Very interesting. You can learn so many things from this lesson. Okay, I would like to read it for you. Page number 12 again. You can open page number 12 from your course book, and then you can follow me while reading. And while explaining, please concentrate. I would like to have your kind attention. Thank you. Let us read. 6! yelled Satish. The ball flew out of his bat. It went high in the air, then it fell into an old well nearby. Oh no, moaned Rajni, who was the bowler. Why did you hit it there? So you understood the scenario. They are playing what? What are they playing? They are playing cricket. And 6 yelled Satish. And who was the bowler? Rajni was the bowler. And she was telling, why did you hit that hard? It went so far. The ball flew off his bat and it went very high in the air and fell into the old well nearby. there was a well, and nearby that well the ball has fallen. Then what happened? See, listen, said Dilip. From the well came the sound of barking, some sound of a puppy barking. Woo, woo. The sound has come. The children rushed to the well and looked in. So they went into they went to the place where they can hear the sound. They looked into the well. At the bottom there was only wet mud and some plants. So as I said, nowadays we are not using wells, so it is not in use. So full of mud and also few plants are there. In the middle lay a puppy. She was looking up at the children and barking. So probably it's in need of a help, so that it is looking at the children and barking. Poor thing, said Rajni. How can we help her? So children wants to help the puppy. So we need a ladder. Do you know what is the ladder, children? Ladder. 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 Ladder is a thing which we use. It will have stairs like this, kind of stairs like this with wooden one, so that we can easily climb anything. So we can climb like this. So this is ladder. So we need a ladder, said Dilip. Then Satish saw an old bucket and a rope lying by the well. So old bucket he can see, and also one rope is there. So what happened? I have an idea, he said. And let's bring the puppy up in that bucket. Okay, then good, said Dilip. But who will put the puppy in the bucket? They were again getting one question. Who will put the puppy in the bucket? We will put the bucket in the well, but who will put the puppy in the bucket? So they got that doubt. Then the children thought for a while. Okay, what shall we do? What shall we do, like that? They thought about it. And immediately Rajni said, I have some biscuits. And she took immediately those all biscuits out of her pocket. Okay. Let's put them in the bucket. The puppy may go for them. So if we put the bucket in the bucket, the biscuits, then puppy will smell them and may come. Like that. The Rajni was suggesting that. Then Satish is Rajni's brother. Immediately Satish hugged his sister and said, very good idea, that's clever, he said. Let's see if the plan works. Then Satish said, okay, let us see whether it works or not. Then Dilip picked up the old bucket. He shook out the rubbish from it, and whatever rubbish is there in the bucket, he shook off so that it has fallen down. So no rubbish in the bucket now. It's clean. Satish pulled at the old rope, and it's still strong. He checked whether it is strong or not. The rope, they checked, and it is strong. Then Rajni put the biscuits in the bucket. 3 of them did 3 things. One has cleaned the bucket, and other has tied the rope, and Rajni has put some biscuits in the bucket. The children lowered the bucket to the bottom of the well. Immediately, they lowered the bucket in the well. Then Satish shook the rope, and the bucket fell on its side, just like it is fallen on the ground like this. Then what happened? The puppy barked at the bucket on the mud floor. But she smelled the biscuits and became interested. First it was so scared. Why the bucket has come into the mud? And what's going on? She didn't understand. The puppy didn't understand what's going on. Then she saw the biscuits and it was interested. And first she put her nose into the bucket, then her front paws, then her head. Now, shouted Satish. Immediately, the 3 children pulled the rope, and a very surprised puppy tipped into the bucket. It is in the bucket now, tipped into the bucket. In less than a minute, quickly, the puppy was up among the children. They immediately dragged it up. She was cold and shaking because it is there in the mud for maybe long, so that it is feeling so cold and also shaking. Then Rajni held her, immediately held her, and you will be fine, she said. Then not bad, said Satish, and we lost a ball but found a puppy. So that's what all the story about. Now let us see the same story in the animation.
Puppy in the well. 6! Yelled Satish. The ball flew off his bat. It went high in the air. Then it fell into an old well nearby. Oh no, moaned Rajni. Who was the bowler? Why did you hit it there? Listen, said Dilip. From the well came the sound of barking. The children rushed to the well and looked in. At the bottom, there was only wet mud and some plants. In the middle lay a puppy. She was looking up at the children and barking. Poor thing, said Rajni. How can we help her? We need a ladder to go down, said Dilip. Satish saw an old bucket and a rope lying by the well. I have an idea, he said. Let's bring the puppy up in that bucket. Good, said Dilip. But who will put the puppy in the bucket? The children thought for a while. I have some biscuits, said Rajni, taking them out of her pocket. Let's put them in the bucket. The puppy may go for them. Satish hugged his sister. That's clever, he said. Let's see if the plan works. Dilip picked up the old bucket. He shook out the rubbish from it. Satish pulled at the old rope. It's still strong, he said. Rajni put the biscuits in the bucket. The children lowered the bucket to the bottom of the well. Then Satish shook the rope and the bucket fell on its side. The puppy barked at the bucket on the mud floor. But she smelt the biscuits and became interested. First, she put her nose into the bucket, then her front paws, then her head. Now, shouted Satish. The three children pulled the rope and a very surprised puppy dipped into the bucket. In less than a minute, the puppy was up among the children. She was cold and shaking. Rajni held her. You will be fine, she said. Not bad, said Satish. We lost a ball and found a puppy.